Kitty, can you be gentle? Gentle. Good job. Kitty. Gentle with the kitty. Gentle.
Oh, he's so happy.
Mm-hmm. You want to sit down and play with the kitty some? Here, sit down.
That is a good smile.
Get the kitty to you. Say hi, kitty. Gentle, gentle. It's a little kitty. Gentle. Gentle to the kitty. Gentle, gentle. Here's another kitty. Don't stomp. No stomping. Kitty.
I'd like to see the other cats. Oh, I see why you like the striped cats. It's got a squirrel on it.
He's cool. Maybe there are only 3 of them.
I'll look in there and see if there's more. Maybe somebody adopted the other 3.
Hi, kitty.
You gonna make a kitty pancake?